Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, January 20, 2022 on our channel. Carrier Malaysia launches VRF cooling systems for commercial spaces. Love Group announces the key results for the year 2021. STULZ becomes a member of the German Datacenter Association. Daikin was involved in the Bilma project to replace an old HVAC system. Energy-saving drives will power ahead at AHR Expo 2022. So, first news today. Carrier Malaysia launches VRF cooling systems for commercial spaces. Carrier Malaysia today launched the all-new Variable Refrigerant Flow (VRF) XCT7 cooling system for commercial buildings and spaces. Amidst the ease of restrictions and return to office (RTO) policies, Carrier Malaysia aims to equip Malaysian businesses and small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) with the right cooling solutions. Carrier's all-new VRF XCT7 cooling system is suitable for spaces such as offices, retail lots, schools, hotels and mid-sized buildings. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Love Group announces the key results for the year 2021. Love Group accelerates revenue growth in the second half of 2021. 2022 starts with a record backlog. Love Group announces the key results for the year 2021. The turnover produced at December 31, 2021 reached €483.1 million, plus 23.1% compared to December 31, 2020. At June 30, 2021 the growth was plus 17.6% compared to the same period of the previous year. The order book at December 31, 2021 amounted to €180. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. STULZ becomes a member of the German Datacenter Association. STULZ, the Hamburg-based specialist for data center air conditioning, is becoming a member of the German Datacenter Association (GDA). In the future, STULZ intends to participate in current topics and events of the association, which was founded in 2018. As an air conditioning manufacturer, the company makes a significant contribution to efficient and environmentally friendly data center operations. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Daikin was involved in the Bilma project to replace an old HVAC system. The Bilma Business Center in Madrid is the perfect example of how Daikin can guarantee a complete HVAC solution including ventilation, air conditioning, hot water production, underfloor heating, integrated system control and remote monitoring. Daikin was involved in the Bilma project to replace an old HVAC system which was no longer meeting modern standards both in terms of energy efficiency and regulations. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Energy-saving drives will power ahead at AHR Expo 2022. Variable frequency drive technology used to control and create efficient and energy-saving HVAC systems will be on show at this month's AHR Expo 2022 in Las Vegas. Invertec Drives will be showcasing its OptiDrive range of VFDs at stand C1380 at the Las Vegas Convention Center between 31 January and 2 February. It will highlight the OptiDrive E3, OptiDrive Eco, CoolVert, and Compact 2, which are used in a range of HVAC applications. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.